Hello. You've probably seen news reports about all the tornado activity we've been having lately. But, well, speaking of which, if you want to know a little something about tornadoes, here's the Discovery Toys Tornado Lab. I'll show you how it works. To turn it on, you press this button with the red dot. To adjust the tornado speed, turn this dial. There are 5 different tornado speeds. We have F1, F2, F3, and F4, and F5. See the tornado? And press this button with the speaker for cool sound effects. Yeah. In case you can even add debris like this to your tornado. Ain't that cool or what? And now to wrap up my report, the cost for this product is rising, probably due to high demand. My dad bought it for like $13 on Amazon, and now the price is like doubled that. So claim your Discovery Toys Tornado Lab before they're either all gone or before prices are too high. Cheerio.